Hey you guys, I'm Mrs. Schmidt. I am going to be your math teacher this year, and I won't see you until October sometime when we get to our second half of quarter one. Okay, so I just wanted to introduce myself and just say hi, and I hope you all had a great summer. Okay, I did nothing this summer. It was great. I just relaxed and read on my hammock. I coached a little volleyball, but other than that, it was a perfect, relaxing summer. We had beautiful weather to be outside, so it was great for that hammock. I just wanted to just introduce myself a little bit. I also wanted to give you some reminders about supplies, so still making sure that you're getting all the supplies that you need. Geometry students, make sure that you buy your compass and your protractor. Okay, you can do that through the school. Algebra students, make sure that you get a graphing calculator, okay? If you cannot afford a graphing calculator or can't get one before the start of the school year, please email me, okay? So I hope you have a great last weekend of summer. I hope that you have a great start to the school year, and I will see you in October.